I'm sad for my friend. He was in Senegal the other time. You know, Senegal is a French-speaking country, and he went there to learn about animal husbandry, how to rear cow, and all of that. So he was asked a question. He was asked to mention the name of a cow in French. If he could, he would be given a cow for free. He couldn't, and he lost the opportunity. Hello, this is the French Master GH. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name farm animals in French. And at the end of this video, I'll give you a link to my website where you take a quiz to see whether you are able to retain whatever you learned in French today. If you are ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. So as I said in my intro, we are going to learn farm animals in French. So we are going to take them one after the other. After presenting the farm animal to you in French, I'll give you a sentence in French containing that particular word and then how it's said in English. Okay. So our first farm animal here is the bee. Une abeille. Une abeille. So I believe you know this in English. Une abeille. The first animal here is une abeille. Une abeille. So I'll give you a sentence containing une abeille. Pour se protéger des piqûres d'abeilles, il est recommandé de porter des vêtements couvrants. I'll take it again. Pour se protéger des piqûres d'abeilles, il est recommandé de porter des vêtements couvrants. This means that to protect oneself from bee stings, it is recommended to wear covering clothes or clothes that will cover your body so that when the bee stings gets into you, it won't hurt you. Okay. So we move to the next farm animal. The next farm animal is un cheval. Un cheval. So that's the picture. This is the picture that is showing there. I believe you know what it is in English already. So in French, it's called un cheval. Un cheval. So I'll give you a sentence in French containing un cheval. Le cheval court dans le champ. Le cheval court dans le champ. Le cheval court dans le champ. This means that the horse is running in the field. The horse is running in the field. We move to the next animal, farm animal, which is un âne. Un âne. Un âne. Un âne. So we do liaison, which is un âne. Un âne. I'll give a sentence. Les ânes nous aident à porter de lourds bagages. Les ânes nous aident à porter de lourds bagages. This means that donkeys help us carry heavy luggage. Donkeys help us carry heavy luggage. Our next animal here is un agneau. Un agneau. Un agneau. You see there is a cantique, okay, a Christian song. C'est l'agneau de Dieu, l'agneau de Dieu. You remember that song? If you know that song, just write the lyrics down in the comment section. I'll come and learn them. If possible, send me a voice note on WhatsApp so that I can also learn that song. We move to the video. The animal here is un agneau. Un agneau. Un agneau. So, a sentence. Dans la tradition chrétienne, Jésus est souvent appelé l'agneau de Dieu. Dans la tradition chrétienne, Jésus est souvent appelé l'agneau de Dieu. This means that in Christian tradition, Jesus is often called the Lamb of God. Jesus is often called the Lamb of God. Next animal. Our next animal here is le taureau. Le taureau. Le taureau. Now a sentence in French containing taureau. Les taureaux ont une force et une puissance impressionnantes. Les taureaux ont une force et une puissance impressionnantes. So in English, it means bulls have impressive strength and power. Bulls have impressive strength and power. Our next animal here is le poulet. Le poulet. Le poulet. So a sentence in French. Les éleveurs de poulets doivent veiller à la bonne santé de leurs volailles. Les éleveurs de poulets doivent veiller à la bonne santé de leurs volailles. So in English, this means chicken farms must ensure the good health of their poultry. So chicken here is a poulet. The next animal here is le mouton. Le mouton. Le mouton. It's one of the animals that doesn't hear at all. It's not like the goats, right? So it doesn't hear at all. Le mouton. So I'll give a sentence in French containing mouton. Mon père a acheté un mouton pour la fête de Tabaski. Mon père a acheté un mouton pour la fête de Tabaski. So my father bought a sheep for the Tabaski festival. La fête de Tabaski is a festival or is a feast that Muslims celebrate. Okay, we say la fête de mouton. Our next animal here is le lapin. Le lapin. Le lapin. Lapin. A sentence. Les enfants aiment jouer avec les lapins dans le jardin. Les enfants aiment jouer avec les lapins dans le jardin. So in English, this means my father bought a sheep for the Tabaski festival. So in French, this means that children like playing with. So children like playing. So in English, this means children like playing with rabbits in the garden. Our next animal here is le coq. Le coq. Le coq chante et le jour paraît, tous s'éveillent dans le village pour que le bon couscous soit prêt. Femme debout et du courage, pilon pom pom, pilon pom pom, pilon pom pom, pilon gaiement. I believe you learned that French song in your primary school days or at the DHS level. Okay, so le coq is the coq is okay. So le coq is the farm animal that we are going to talk about here. So I'll give you a sentence containing le coq. Chaque matin, notre coq chante coucouroucou. So this means every morning our cock crows. Coucouroucou. Chaque matin, notre coq chante coucouroucou. We move to the next farm animal, which is le cochon. Le cochon. Le cochon. 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 So, a sentence in French. La viande du cochon s'appelle le porc. La viande du cochon s'appelle le porc. So in English, this means the meat of a pig is called pork. The meat of a pig is called pork. So, le cochon here is the pig. Its meat in French is le porc. So you will not go to Togo, Burkina Faso, or France, and then because you have an idea. You say les faux amis of pork in English. Then you see a pig, you say, okay, je vais acheter le porc. No. Our next farm animal here is le canard. Le canard. Canard. Le canard. That particular animal that can shit anywhere, at any time, at her own will. Le canard. Le canard. So a sentence in French. Les petits canards suivent leur mère au bord de la rivière. Les petits canards suivent leur mère au bord de la rivière. So the little ducks follow their mother on the river bank. Our next farm animal is la vache. That is what caused my friend's loss in Senegal. So la vache. La vache is the cow. Nous obtenons notre lait de la vache de papa. Nous obtenons notre lait de la vache de papa. So we get our milk from that cow. Our next farm animal here is la tortue. La tortue. La tortue. 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 So I'll give you a sentence in French containing la tortue. La tortue marche lentement. La tortue marche lentement. Meaning the turtle walks slowly. Our next farm animal is la poule. La poule. La poule here. La poule pond des œufs tous les jours. La poule pond des œufs tous les jours. La poule pond des œufs. La poule pond des œufs tous les jours. This means the hen lays eggs every day. So, la poule is a female and then le coq is a male. Our next farm animal is la dinde. La dinde. La dinde is one animal that is so, the meat is so sweet. So, la dinde, that is the turkey. Nigerians will tell you say turkey, or turkey. I don't know how they say it, right? They also like it so much. So la dinde. A sentence in French containing la dinde. Maman a acheté une dinde pour préparer le dîner. Maman a acheté une dinde pour préparer le dîner. Mom bought a turkey to prepare dinner. Okay, so in today's video we learned the names of few farm animals in French. Some of these are une abeille, la vache, le poulet, la poule, le coq, le cochon. So I believe this lesson was very simple. You can take a quiz on this particular lesson on my website. You can read more on this lesson on my website. So I'll be leaving the link to the blog post in the description box. Can you click on the description and click on the link there to take you to my website? You read more about this lesson, okay, and then you take the quiz and score yourself. You'll be scored, so you know whether you've done well or not. But so far, so good. You are doing amazing. This is the French Master DH, et je dis au revoir.